when you have a high-level delegation. First of all, let me explain to you that this visit is well planned long time ago. And our tradition is that the Chinese leaders usually, they're extremely busy, and not only concerning domestic affairs, but also foreign affairs. And China is now of course, China is the permanent member of the Security Council. China is the second largest economy in the world. And last year, China's GDP is about 17 trillion US dollars. And China now, China's GDP occupies roughly 80% of the United States, and which means that over the last 100 years, China is the only country which GDP has increased to the level of 80% of the US, because US is a superpower, for quite a long time. And as a developing country, we have been working very hard to develop our economy. And in 2010, China, for the first time in 100 years, China was able to catch up with Japan